Today we are going camping for the first time, and we just spent all morning running around looking for a new tent. I need to go with one of the original tents that was already in kind of like the running. So I'm gonna go pack the car up and we're gonna head off. Yeah, camping. What? Camping. I think the dogs are excited. Maybe just a little excited. You guys excited by any chance? Right, let's go do this. We're in the car, we're ready to go. The aircon's on because it's pretty hot, it's 21 degrees. Dogs are in. Arlo and Bambi are absolutely wired because I've been loading stuff into the car. Bambi thinks she's being left. Bella's ready to go. Alright, here we go then. Here we go. So we made it. We got here. It took forever. It took 4.5 hours to get here, which doesn't sound like a long time, but when it should take 3 hours, it is quite a long time. So I'm going to put the tent up. Bella's gone to walk the dogs, and yeah, I'm just a bit tired. Bit tired from that drive. Just a bit. Yes. We've arrived at Weymouth Beach and I just need to park. So we're going to take the puppies on the beach and then get some chip, probably take some photos because it looks pretty cool. Only suitable for low vehicles. Well, if I wasn't already here, it's a bit late for that, surely. Would you park before finding a space? What happens if you get down here and then you can't find a space? Falls outside of the location's charge times, there's no charge for this parking session. Sick. Alright, well we found free parking. Don't have to pay anything. So, I'm going to stop saying so one day. But for now, so, let's go. I think it's safe to conclude that the dogs love the beach. They're just being absolute muppets the entire time. Having a whale of a time. This is sick though. Great. So good. We had.
Chip.
Alright, you taking the lead on this one, are you?
We had chips and curry sauce.
We did. They didn't have peas, which was a very sad time, but it was good. So now we're gonna. I said so again. See, I'm gonna nip this one in the bud. But I'm gonna go back and hello. See, the birds are coming in now. The birds are coming in for the scraps. I'm gonna go back and chill, aren't we? Yeah.
Some Doritos.
And just snack. Read a book, sit in the open air and question why on earth we came camping in the first place.
Do you know what you definitely didn't pick up?
What?
The cards.
Yeah, I did. They're in this bag.
I'm impressed.
I win for once. I win. Go on then, in you get. In the car. Come on, in. Bambi, in. It's cool, isn't it? It's alright.
Not now. We kindle our friendship. What was it that you thought?
We want more chips. It's alright, we've got snacks. We've got snacks, I'll live.
No, I know, but we must. I probably got me upset as well. You did? You know that. What happened to everything, man?
You good, B? Yeah?
Can you take them?
Sure.
I mean, I need to
You're mine now. Today we're off to Lulworth Cove, which, if you haven't heard of it, is a pretty place on the southern coast of England. I want to get some photos of it, want to take the dogs in the sea, and I would like to see if I can fly my drone. So hopefully we can achieve those things today. It started off pretty cold, pretty cloudy. As you can probably see from the fact that the background's blown out. It's starting to brighten up, which is good. So let's go. All parked, all sorted, dogs faffed around with. I don't really know what that sound is, but on our way up to the top of, I think this is the east side of the cove. It's already looking pretty dope. And the part of me wants to get all the way up there. All the way up there. This is cute. This. Whoa, look at the colour of that water. What on earth? That's so cool. Oh man.
We're going up as opposed to down. I don't know what
Well, we'll go up and then we'll go down. I just can't. I just can't even. It's just a thing. It's just pretty. So pretty. So pretty. We're going to go down to the bottom in a minute, but let's get some more up top views first, I think. I mean, it's pretty cool, really. I mean, this is by far the prettiest place I've been in England so far. Definitely, easily the prettiest place I've been in England so far. Just what? Right, we're done with the beach bit, which is fun. So let's go and I might get a coffee on the way back, maybe.
the only thing I'm thinking is that when we go all this way down, we're gonna have to coffee on.
I'm just making our way down to, was it Durdle Door, isn't it?
Yeah.
Durdle Door. We started up there. We've got to go all the way down there, which is going to be fun because it's actually quite steep and it's like sandy, gravelly type road, so it's not exactly the easiest thing to walk on, is it? Especially not in sandal shoes.
Sandal shoes?
Yeah, Birkies. Birkenstocks. Oh wow, this is really steep. We went down there. It's epic. It's so good. I didn't realise we had this kind of coloured water in this country, which is saying something. Don't get out enough, really. Whee! Halfway back up. It was pretty cool down there. Nailed it. We did it. I'm gonna sit down and chill out for a bit now. Because why not? Got some cool photos. Got some cool photos. Saw some cool sights. Took it all in. And Bella has collapsed us on a pile in the floor. Back at the campsite now. Bella is having a chill. We stopped off at Morrison's because we decided we wanted a barbecue tonight. So rather than going out for food, we've got burgers on the barbecue. Got the meatless Farmco burgers, so that'll be interesting to try. I've never tried those before. And we've got noodles if we get hungry. Oh no! He just fully stuck his head inside Bella's empty wrap box. What that was about, I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to cook some food and then I'm going to chill. It's starting to get a little bit windy now, so it's probably going to cool down quite a lot before tonight. Bella's happy as a clam. Her words, not mine. Hello, here you go.
Thank you.
The table as well gave you a chapter. Yeah. They got the table in front of you.
Do you like these? Cheers. We're just winding down for the evening. We could just come to take the dogs to the little enclosed field because the sun's setting real nice and the shadows are long, and get some real nice backlit shots like this that look super good. I think it's been a pretty good day. What do you think? Sorry, try that again?
It's been my favourite day of lots of days that we've had.
Yeah. Now Arlo and Bambi are on a mad one. There they go. See? But it's probably a good place to end it for today. What do you think?
I've at least got my hair in. If you're going to film me against my will, at least don't make me look bald.
First thing in the morning on the last day, so we're just going to pack up and head off. Bella's just gone to walk the dogs. I am in charge of getting some of this stuff sorted. I don't really know where to begin, to be honest. Where does one begin? Where does one begin? Oh yeah. That's it. It's all packed. The dogs are in. They're actually, I thought they'd be pretty fidgety and lively today, but I think yesterday really took it out of them. So yeah, let's go home, shall we? Home. This is pretty much marks the end of the summer holidays for both of us, really, doesn't it? Because you go back to work next week. And then we haven't got another trip planned until September when we go to Barcelona, which is going to be sick. It's like 4 weeks away, but that's half term for Bella, so there we go. Right, let's go. We're back, we're home. It was an easy drive on the way home today, to be honest. The temperature was getting pretty high actually. It's around about 28 degrees now, so I'm kind of glad that I'm not stuck on a campsite where my only shade is a tent that gets really hot with the sun, because we didn't take anything to go like in the sea or anything. So, and also I've got a little bit burnt yesterday. Don't know if you can tell, my nose is a bit red. I think I'm going to leave it there. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, get subscribed so you can stay up to date every time I release a new video. Like the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. But until the next one, see ya.